You can picture Timothy and Tabitha together in bed. Well, she's hunkering down for a nice sunbeam nap. In the window, look at the sunbeam on this side. The disco ball. Oh, and we got Push pushing out the window. Look at her. Dogs are at the beach. I got a lot of different content for you folks. I hope you like what we did for you. Dogs, beach, family members, old lady. All right then. Internet's out. Hopefully it'll be up and running between 3 and 4 in the morning. And we'll download all this. All right. All right. Here's the plug. Remember to like and subscribe, comment. It really helps out the channel if you do. If I get 1,000 subscribers by August, I'll show my face. We need to go viral so we can actually make money off of this. Or not.